Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. So we're opening up Bombay and Cedar, and this is the lifestyle box. They have a beauty box too, and this is the monthly lifestyle box. They now also offer a seasonal box, and I knew they were behind, but I didn't realize how behind they are. I peeked in here because I was curious. I didn't look at like everything, I just like the top handout, and it's the October box. Like, even I know it's past October, even though I think we're still like ways back. So hopefully shipping gets a little bit quicker, but yeah, we're gonna open this up today and see what's inside. But before we get started, I just want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here in our channel, so if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. And you guys, tonight is the last night to enter the 11K giveaway. So it ends at midnight Eastern time. So I will leave all the information at the end of this video. Well, all the information's in that video that I will link at the end of this video and down below. You can check it out next. So yeah, do that. It's a big thank you to you guys. Good luck. And if you don't win, no worries. You know we're gonna have some more giveaways. I already have a stash ready for 12K. Slowly getting there. But Bombay and Cedar, the monthly box, so they increased the price. If you pay monthly, it's $44.95 a month, and you get at least $100 value. If you pay for more months at a time, you get it at a lower rate, but yeah, it's all cruelty free. It's a lot of lifestyle products, and I really love Bombay and Cedar because you get different things than you get in other boxes, and you also get 2 essential oils in all of the monthly lifestyle boxes. I really did like the quarterly box. I got the fall box, which was their first one. I'll link that down below if you want to check it out, and their beauty box. So I love that everything's cruelty free and unique, and their packaging is just spectacularly beautiful. So yeah, this is a card I saw on top and I opened it, and it says October. And the theme is Dwell, enhancements for your home life. Perfect! I don't even leave my home, so it is my life. And then there's something on top. It says thank you. Oh, this must go with an item that's inside or something, I don't know. Everything is wrapped up super well. Is this gonna bother you guys? Can you see it? Just trying to save this tissue paper. And I'm just gonna pull out the first thing. What is this? Is this like a coaster? Oh, it goes with the shower steamer. This is a shower steamer tray. Oh man, something smells wonderful. I wonder if that's it. I'm so glad they gave me a shower steamer because this is a variation item. You could have gotten a bath bomb or a shower steamer, and I'm not a bath person, even though I have a beautiful bath and a jillion bath products. So I guess this holds it in your shower. I never had one of these. So that's nice. And then let's find the thing that comes with it. Oh, right here. Oh man, it smells so good. This is by Lizouche. Shower steamer and lemongrass for nourishing and relaxation. Nice. In my empties video I posted yesterday or the day before, depending on when this video goes up, I posted a poll on my community tab asking about this video or the next, so we shall see after I'm done, or I shall see. You guys already know. And this is just perfect, like refreshing citrus type scents I love for my morning / afternoon whenever I wake up showers. And this set is $12. Do I see cookie? They always have a snack in here too, and it's like healthy and vegan and stuff. And it says, this is by Yes Bar, or is Yes Bar, the world's best tasting snack bar in dark chocolate chip. It's vegan, paleo, gluten-free, has 5 grams of protein and 15 grams of nuts. I feel like I've gotten something from this brand before and it was good. Has half the sugar of an apple. That doesn't bother me even if it had double. Yum. If anyone's curious, it's 220 calories. And this snack is $2.95, and I want to eat it now. Oh, it looks like we have a little home decor piece, and it says go places. It's like my reminder. It's like, get out of the house. Go, just do something. Get out. But then again, I'm just following rules, right? So here and there, inspiration for where you are and where you want to be. This art is for you. It's a celebration of all good in your world and a reminder of what's possible. There's a life outside my home. Display it wherever it feels right to you. After all, you deserve a little inspiration here and there. And this, you could have gotten it in a variety of designs, it looks like. It's $9.95. It's by Commendium. And it looks like other ones they are showing in the picture here say like inspire, hope, encourage, and they're 4x4 pieces. This is really cute. I'll put this somewhere. I'm trying to like organize, well I have been organizing and cleaning, and I am lacking in like wall space stuff. I know that's too small for the wall, but I'm like decorating and stuff. It's on my mind. Let's see what's next. There's a big thing here. Cleansing wipe kits. I've been cleaning too. Eco-friendly, and it comes with the free essential oil. So, oh, you have to have vinegar? I don't think I have anything like that. So on here it says, lower impact, all natural, biodegradable. You take 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 1/3 cup of water, and essential oil. Can you use apple cider vinegar, do you think? So it's like a kit. Let's see what it says on this. So this was a variation. You could have gotten this. This is a 12 reusable cleaning wipes kit. Just add water, vinegar, and provide essential oil into the glass bottle with wipes inside. And there you have sustainable cleaning wipes. It comes with 12 washable wipes for a lifetime supply. And the essential oil and vinegar cleaning solution will last approximately 3 months. And it's $19.99. And if you didn't get this, you would get Eco Strips laundry detergent by True Earth. Oh, I wish I got that. I mean, only because I don't have regular vinegar around. I don't really have much at all. I cleaned out my pantry. It's like empty. There's too many expired things in there. The wipes themselves are really cute. You can see there's like lemons on it and limes. And what was this oil? It looks like the oil scent. Oh, it's so cute. It's frankincense. I was thinking it would be lemon. Maybe because I have lemongrass, like, in my mind. Ooh, swigglies are everywhere. I just vacuumed. Next is the Cocoa Roo Extra Virgin Cold Pressed Organic Coconut Moisturizing Lotion. And it's made with cold pressed macadamia nuts loaded with natural antioxidants, hydrates, protects, and replenishes. And it's infused with organic peppermint oil, so mint is the scent. I'm not a huge, I like mints like in my mouth, like actually eating mints. I know some people don't like that, or like mint gum or something, but I don't really love like the scent mint on me unless it's like a lip gloss or something because it's near my mouth, like fresh breath. So I might pass this on to my mom who's really into that stuff. Plus I have like 3002 body butters, but this sounds interesting. It's big. Look, head test. I'm looking in the viewfinder. We have a mirror right here. Oh my god, we like match size. So it's big. Okay. Oh, and I should tell you the retail value if you're curious. Oh, you could have gotten this in lavender. I would have much preferred that, or naturally naked. I guess that would be fragrance free, which I also want to try because I've been like getting rashes. You can kind of see on my arm. And I think my body is rejecting fragrant stuff. In $19.95. And then, is this it? Oh no, there's, ooh, I definitely don't need this because I have a lot already, but I have been really loving stickers and like stickering things that I send out in the mail and stuff. And this is a Sticker Yourself Happy. Remove the pages to create ready to frame art. So I don't know, this is gonna be full of stickers? We'll see, but on the back it says, boost your happiness levels by taking some time out to play and be creative. Select a sticker by number template to make a beautiful frame ready art by filling it with vibrant palette of stickers. Oh, it's like, that's so cool. So you actually do make art, and you, like I was just saying, I need to hang stuff, but what if mine sucks because I'm not good at it? I'll try. And I like how one says good vibes only. I like to see stuff like that around, and I try and only have good vibes, but of course, I was a little not good vibes earlier, but you know what? It really makes me feel better? Doing my makeup. It's like a meditation, like, for me. I love it. And it transforms me, and I like that too. But this is really cool. Oh, and this one says positive energy. Yes, sending it your way, everyone. This is cooler than a sticker book. This is more than that. I think this is awesome, actually. This might be my favorite thing. So stick yourself calm or happy. I got the happy one, so you could have gotten a calm one. I would have been happy with both, but I'm glad I got the happy one. And it's $14.99. And if you're curious, the art would fit into 8x10 inch frames. I think I have some extra of those. Cool. And then the last things are essential oils. So we have 2 always, like I think I mentioned earlier. So we have them here, and then we also have little cards that talk about the oils, which I think is great. It talks about benefits, precautions, and what they blend well with. And we have a eucalyptus essential oil. I think that's fitting to put that in the well, I was gonna say December, but it's fitting for the season, like colds and stuff like that. And Siberian fir essential oil. Siberian fir. Oh, like fur, like F-I-R. I'm sure none of you thought it was like animal, but came across my mind for like a split second. It smells like a tree. Like Christmas tree kind of, but a little different. Is it helpful? And I know what eucalyptus smells like, and you guys probably do too, but I'm gonna take a sniff. And these oils, the eucalyptus is $14 and the Siberian fir is $15. I like it. So this definitely wasn't my favorite Bombay and Cedar, but like I said, I think the sticker, like number by sticker, what would you call it? Sticker yourself happy. I'm really excited about this. I think that's a neat idea. I like getting like home decor, anything. The snack sounds good. Oils, I always like getting. I have a bunch, but if I get repeat, or I just actually give them a lot to my mom, especially now she's in Florida, even though I haven't seen her. I got looking for this too. And if anyone knows, can I use apple cider vinegar or should I get vinegar? I know it's probably cheap, or on Amazon or something, but yeah, not my favorite, but I did get some things I like, and there's nothing I hate or anything like that. I would love to hear your thoughts down below. Thank you for being here and unboxing this with me. Special thanks to my channel members. Your support means the world to me. If you guys want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link down below where you can learn the perks and join. I would absolutely love it if you did, but no pressure. Just by being here and watching is super helpful and supportive, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Stay safe, stay healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.